Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to send an international money transfer using the RBC mobile application. So once I open up the RBC app, I head to the bottom right and tap on Move Money. From there, I scroll down to where it says International Money Transfer and select it. Once I'm on that page, everything's laid out pretty clearly. At the Transfer Details section, I choose the account I want to send money from, then I select the recipient. After that, I'm able to review the fees and details before continuing with the transfer. Once everything looks good, I just continue and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. Overall, I find the process really simple and easy to follow, especially if I need to send money internationally without too much hassle. So yeah, that's exactly how I send an international money transfer using the RBC mobile app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.